Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a long time I didn't make any videos, and last video I had like maybe a week ago, or yeah, a week maybe. So today's video is about a makeup look like this. Today I did this makeup, and if you want to know how I did this makeup, just please keep watching. And this makeup products, like the products that I use, is actually these products that I actually bought last time from Luxplus. And I told you guys, I show you this shopping haul, and please check that video after this video. And I will use that all product as much as possible, and I will show you like how I transform this like. And I really like this makeup, and I hope you do. And if you want to know how I did this, just please keep watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. My face is I wash my face, and then I put bio oil. I always have to use some kind of oil in my face, otherwise it's so dry. I don't like it. So the first thing that I'm gonna use is this one. So this is the anti-aging serum that I bought last time, and I think I should use it. And anti-aging serum is kind of you should use after 20. I think it's better because in teenage years you don't have to use it, but after 20 I think it's better if you use anti-aging serum or start to use. So I'm gonna use it now. So before doing any makeup, I will apply my primers. I have this Maybelline Face Studio Primer, and then I have lash primer, and also I have lip primer. So these things I bought last time, and I thought it's better if I put all my primers first, and then I will start to apply my makeups. So the first thing I will apply this one. And then I will use this primer. Oh, sorry, I mean this foundation. This is Dermacol makeup cover, and I saw a lot of review on this foundation. This particular, it's like a camouflage foundation, and it actually hide everything on your face, like everything. It's very high coverage foundation. So this is my second one. I used to have one before, and then this is my second one. So I really like this foundation. It's they don't have a lot of shade, but I wear hijab, so it doesn't have to match my neck or match my hand or something. So that's why I like to use. It's kind of bright, but after when you apply bronzer and contour your face, it blends, so it's fine. So I'm gonna use this one now, put it in my hand. It's very thick, very thick. So this is the base makeup. Base is done. I'm very sorry for the lighting because I'm in front of my window and the weather is really crazy. A little bit warm, like a little bit rainy, a little bit snow, and then sun all together. I will show you. So last time I bought this eyeshadow. It's a Revolution Makeup Revolution London, and this is how it looks like from the inside. So you can see it's a very bright colors. I always wanted to have a bright color, and today I wear orange hijab, so I will try to use orange, of course, but I will try to use each and every shadow like possible. Like I will try to use each and every shadow as possible, and I will show you how it looks like. Oh, it's very kind of dark. Like I don't like the look. You can see now it looks better when I have this mirror on my face. So yeah, I will use each and every shadow as possible, and I will show you how it looks like. And I will try to make the camera a little bit closer that you can see my shadows. So this is the eyeshadow look, and now I'm gonna apply this kajal, this colossal kajal eyeliner, and I'm gonna do this off camera because it's like I do it every time. So this is how I apply my eyeliner. And I'm gonna apply my lash. Kidding! Today I'm not gonna apply any eyelashes. The reason is today I show you that I apply eyelash primer, and I will show you how it looks like with only mascara. Today I apply this mascara, like I always apply this mascara, you know that if you know me. It's a L'Oreal Telescopic. It's my favorite, and as you know that, as you saw that I apply my primer in the very first, like when I apply my first primer, and you can see now how it looks like. Only and only mascara, nothing else. I don't even use color. I forgot to use my color, but it's only mascara. I didn't apply anything. No lashes, no eyelash color. So it's just this primer and this. So this is how it looks like. And now it's time for highlighter. So I will use the same highlighter that I use in here. So I always use the same highlighter what I use in my brow bone. Because I apply heavy eye makeup, like I have so many colorful shadows, that's why I'm gonna use this nude lipstick. It's called Peachy Nude. This is also I bought last time. It's called Peas or Pies, I don't know, I can pronounce it, and the shade is 105. So it's very cool that it's a magnet, and this is how it looks. It's a peachy nude color. So I'm gonna apply this one. Where is my mirror? Yes. As you know that I already applied the lip primer, so this is how it looks like. And now I'm gonna show you the final. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with me. It means a lot. And here I will show you some pictures of how it looks. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.